today again, once again, with another epic adventure with our one place named Leyte, Ketchi River. Again today, we're going to steam some fish with some water crackers, and we're going to roast some fish also. We're going to roast some conch, some squid, and some octopus. So we're on the way going to the river right now. We have to go on the epic adventure then, you know? Yeah man. Everybody come out to enjoy themselves. So we're there, I enjoy myself. See them way, see them screen. You see me? Yeah man, then I go and get the fish them clean up. I'll show them what I go on. Me and Jamie I go and get the fish them clean up my people. Wrenchman. Now we have a barracuda. You can see him out pointed, push out down so you can know the barracuda are different. And we got some butterfish. So the doctor and the parrot, then they go and roast. And I say the doctor and the wrenchman, them go and roast. But the parrot and the rest of fish them, we're going to steam them down with some crackers. As you people can see, you can see the water crackers over there. That's the Egg Excelsior water crackling. That's what we're doing today. Peeps, looking so lovely, you know? Yeah. So lovely, my people, you know. Say him I live like a Rasta. Say him I know imposter. Watch him, my people. Oh, that Rasta. Oh, that's Selassie, son. Watch him, my people. Right there, no? So give me people my look like what this like look like. Yeah, my people, that is it, you know? That is it. Royal Camp. Epic adventure, yeah, Jap. You know, Jap, no play adventure. You see me? So please, see the next time on the series, part off with a share. Stay tuned. Remember to like and share and subscribe. Place epic, man. Nice place to be. You have your family, carry them out on Sunday. They will be in a house rack. Carry them family on Sunday, man. To enjoy some of the raft. Yeah, man. Spend some money for your kids, man. So I make it go on, season them go and cook out, like the scallion, the thyme, the tomato, the garlics, and some carrot. We have all of that. So I'm going to have view of the place now, the meanwhile, you know. Nice riverside, nice energy. You know, people, crackers in a pot now, you know, man. Sun too hot, you know. I have to throw on the hot. I have to put it on. Yeah, man. Boy, the ball. This is so beautiful, you know? It's very nice. So put the fish on it. Yeah, you can put it down. So I'm going to put the crackers down first. So I'm going to put the crackers down first.
epic, you know. Yeah, really good I mean industry.
Bara.
Yeah, precious I got from man disrespectful and you are saying wicked people.
Yeah, my people, so I eat this, so right now, my people, my own this one. It's my own, you know. My own this. I don't know that I can touch same way. But pick up this on the napkin. Hold my plate. See how it tastes, my people. Nice. No, so I cover ground with the camera and in like. Yeah, man. Nice, now like that, nice. I wish all of you guys just here with us today. When y'all tell me say the food nice, you're not gonna feel no drama. It's really nice, you know? Nice. Nice and people. Sweet cut. Epic, you know? Yeah, my people, octopus. Just want to say to all my people, thank you so very much to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so very much to watch every video that I put up on YouTube. So just go and like up the video then, because every time when the series come out, epic content good. Epic content. And them content there, the job. And see the Rasta, the Cosman, epic. You have to the people come. Like, share, and subscribe.